Hey, what's going on, everybody? And welcome to the show. Man, oh man, if you're watching us right now, whether you caught us live or you're watching the replay, I need you to do one thing before we get started. Drop something in the comments. Tell me where you are from, what city, what state. Let's see how far this community reaches. Because this is the Carpet Cleaning Live, Carpet Cleaning World Live. And I am your host, Roger D. Lloyd, marketing consultant, cleaning industry veteran, and somebody who genuinely, deeply is passionate about seeing you win in your business. Now, I want you to understand something before we dive in today. This is not your average Facebook Live. This is not fluff. This is not filler. This is 30 minutes of real, raw, actionable information designed to do one thing and one thing only. Turn cleaning professionals just like you into absolute business powerhouses. That this is the mission. That is why we're here. And that's exactly what we're going to deliver today. Now, I could do this alone. Oh, yeah, I could. You know I can. But why would I when I have someone this phenomenal right here with me? I want to properly introduce my incredible co host because she's worth every word she's about to say. She is a certified business startup strategist, a resilience coach, and a certified coach of life success. She works with entrepreneurs every day, helping them build their foundations, developing winning strategies, and turn their business into profitable powerhouses. And here is what makes her extremely important to this community. She is not just a coach, she's a cleaning business owner. And her and her husband built the business from the ground up. She has booked all the jobs, answered the calls, and chased the reviews. She knows this world because she lives in it. Ladies and gentlemen, show your love in the comments right here for my amazing co-host, Coach Jenee Speaks. Coach Jenee.
Roger, thank you. Thank you so much for having me. I have to say, when my husband and I built our cleaning business together, I never imagined I would one day be sitting on a podcast talking strategy with this industry. But here I am, and I'm glad because this conversation is long overdue. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Coach Jenee, business startup strategist, resilience coach, and certified coach of life success. And yes, I am a cleaning business owner. My husband and I run BioClean carpet cleaning, and we're adding another one right here in the Houston area. So I'm not coming to you as someone who read a book about the cleaning industry. I'm coming to you as someone who has booked the jobs, answered the calls, chased the reviews, and built the business from the ground up. I know this world, and I also know what keeps cleaning business owners stuck, even when they're working hard. That's exactly what I want to talk about today. Here's where I come in as a coach. Because what I see every day is not just a marketing problem, it's a mindset problem. I've worked with cleaning business owners who know exactly what they need to do, but they just can't get themselves to do it consistently. Why? Because running a small business is personal. When a customer complains, it feels like a personal attack. When a competitor undercuts you, it feels like a personal threat. When you have a slow month, it feels like a personal failure. Ouch. And when you carry all of that without a strategy, without a support system, without someone in your corner, you burn out. I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen to people who have had every skill they needed to build something great. They just needed the right guidance. Now, one of the principles I coach from is this: invest. Invest in yourself unapologetically. What that means is investing in your marketing, investing in your systems, in your mindset, in your leadership, because you are the most important asset in your business. When you grow, your business grows. And
Yep.
that's exactly why what Roger and I are building together matters so much. Now, more on that very soon. And we'll be right.
Coach Jenee, that was so powerful. Oh my God. Everything she just said is foundation of what we're going to build on today. Because mindset without strategy is just motivation. And strategy without mindset falls apart under pressure. Come on. Together, that is where the magic is. Yes. So let me talk about strategy, the strategy side. Let me talk about marketing. Yes, marketing. The number one question I get from cleaning business owners is always, hey, Roger, how do I get more leads? Are you kidding me right now? And my answer always is the same. You don't have a lead problem, you have a consistency problem. Most cleaning business owners market when they are slow. They panic, they post, they run a special. Oh my goodness. And then when it gets busy, they just stop. Just stop. The cycle repeats itself over and over and over again. The businesses that win are the ones that market every single day, whether they're slow or not. It does not have to be complicated, ladies and gentlemen. It really doesn't. One before and after post every single week, a monthly text or email to your customer list, and a small consistent ad on Facebook or Google every on every even on a small budget. Showing up in local community groups with helpful tips, not just promoting your business. The goal is top of mind awareness, ladies and gentlemen. When someone's carpet needs to be cleaned, your name is the first name that pops in their mind. Now, let me tell you where the real money is in your business. Are you ready? Is everybody ready? It's sitting in your existing customer list. It's sitting in your your existing clients. They already trust you. They already know you. They already open their homes to you. Come on, think. This is the hardest part of the sale, and it's already done. So why aren't you going back to them? Does your average client know that you clean upholstery, tile and grout, area rugs, do pet odor removal? Do they even know you do commercial work? Most of the time, they have no idea. No idea. Because nobody told them. Nobody told them. This is called upselling, cross-selling, and it's one of the fastest ways to increase your revenue without spending a large money on advertising. One simple follow-up, one email, that's it. That's it. Kaput, you're done. One message to your existing list can book you an entire week of work. An entire week. I do it all the time. And then they are referrals. The lifeblood of any service business. Referrals, ladies and gentlemen. A referred customer comes in already trusting you, already expecting great results, easy to close, more likely to give you a review. But you have to ask for it. You gotta ask for it. Before you leave the driveway, send your clients a text, simple text. Thank you for trusting us today. You know anyone who could use our services? We would love to give them $25 off as a credit to you as a first-time client. That's simple. That's it. Kaput. You're done. Build it into a system, and your happy customers will do the marketing for you. Come on, Coach Jenee, help me out here. Help me out. You a business startup strategist. Oh my God.
It's true. It is very true. Listen, everything Roger just shared, that's the blueprint. I want to add three things that are working right now in the cleaning industry. Things you can implement this week. Number one, the before and after photos. Every single job. Don't miss it. Document your work, post it, let the results speak. People trust what they can see. Number two, Google reviews. Now, on the spot though, before you leave the driveway, text your customer a direct link to leave a review. Don't wait. Don't hope they remember. Ask them. Ask them right then. And number
Ask.
three, seasonal packages and bundles. Stop selling these one time jobs. This is not a one off situation. Start selling relationships. Spring deep clean packages, pre holiday specials, monthly maintenance plans. Give your customer a reason to call you first before they call anybody else. Now, let me switch up a little bit. I promised Roger I would help build toward the biggest announcement of today's show, and I do keep my word. We are officially announcing an in person seminar right here in Houston, Texas, this November. So get ready. This is not a webinar. This is not a Zoom call. This is a room full of cleaning business owners, service based entrepreneurs, people who are ready to stop spinning their wheels and start building something that lasts. We're going to cover everything we touched on today, of course, but we're going to go so much deeper. Pricing strategy, marketing systems, mindset and leadership, building a team, protecting your profit. I'm going to be there, not just as your speaker, but as a coach, ready to work with you. Roger's going to be there, not just talking marketing, but handing you done for you tools that you can use the moment you walk back through your door in your business. This is 4 hours that could change the entire direction of your business. And we want you in that room. Roger?
Okay, we're on the home stretch. I need everybody to lock in right now because what Coach Jenee just announced is real. This is happening. And here is everything you need to know about being in that room. Houston, Texas, November 26th, 2026, 4 hours packed with refreshments on us. On us. Done for you marketing and sales materials. Ready to implement the moment you get back to your location. No homework, no figuring it out. Just plug it in and go. Here's the investment, and I need you to pay close attention. Early bird special, only $175 per person if you register before August 2026. That is it. That's all. $175 for 4 hours of strategy coaching and ready to use materials that can change the trajectory of your business. After August, the price goes up to $199. Ain't nothing I can do with that. And once the seats are filled, that's it. This is an intimate by design. We are not filling a convention center. We are building a room of serious people who are ready to grow their business. So here is exactly what I need you to do. I need you to send me, Roger D. Lloyd, a private message right here on Facebook. Oh, yeah. Just say Houston in the message, and I will personally get you registered and confirmed. Do it now. Do not wait until after August and miss the early bird special. You do not want to wait until all the seats are gone. The time is right now. Coach Jenee, bring us home.
Thank you, Roger. Listen, you did not start this business to stay small. You started it because you believed you could build something. And I'm here to tell you, you can. But you cannot do it all alone. Surround yourself with the right people. Invest in the right guidance. Keep moving forward, no matter how small the step. We'll see you in Houston. I'm Coach Jenee, business startup strategist, resilience coach, and a cleaning business owner, just like you. Find me at rlmaservices.com or call me directly, 1-888-964-9604. Let's build something great together. Roger?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap. We'll see you in Houston. Send me a message today. Don't delay.